Hello students, today's topic is database queries. As you can see on the screen, I have created one database. It is in form of table. So first of all, I will tell you what is a query. As the name suggests, query is to collect specific information from the pool of data. This line means you have created your database. This is called the pool of data and your end user are putting some questions. Why they are putting questions? Because they want some specific information. So they will create the query. A query helps us join information from different tables and filter that information. It means if we have 3 or 4 tables and we have created a query, and this query will extract information from all the tables and then it will filter that information and show us on the screen. So we have made 5 queries in our database. The first one is create. Then we have select query. It's delete. The fourth one is update. And the last one is insert into. So first I will take create query. Beta, here I will like to tell you this create query falls under the DDL. It means this is data definition language. Create statement is used for creating a database or a table in any RDBMS software. This line means create query helps you to create the structure of the table. We people are not entering any data into it. We are only creating the table. So here I would like to tell you its syntax. Its syntax is, first of all you will write create table. It can be written in capital or lowercase. It is not case sensitive. So then after writing create table, you will give the table name. If the table name is not given, you will write it like on it is written on the screen under the tags. But if the name is given, you will simply write the name. Then in parenthesis, first you will define the column definitions. Column definitions means the name of the column, and then along with that you will write table parameters. Table parameters means you will also specify the data type. Then bache, this is an example of create query. Like I have written name of the table is employee. So create table employee. Then you will start the bracket. Name is the first column and varchar is its data type. Then after writing the first line of the table, you will put 1 comma. Then start the second line department. This is the second name of the column and its data type is varchar 50. Then address varchar 120, again putting comma, then last column is contact number and its data type is integer. Here I will close my query and then I will put semicolon. By putting semicolon, you people are telling the computer that here we are ending our one query. So the next is select query. This is all the 4 other queries fall under the category of DML. DML means data manipulation language. Data manipulation language means your table is now ready and you people are entering some data into it. So when you have entered the data, when your table is prepared, now your end user want to see some results. They want to select some records from the table. So for showing the records or for selecting the records, we people use the select query. As you can see on the screen, a select statement retrieves 0 or more rows from 1 or more database tables. It means when you people will specify any statement, then it will show you 3 lines, 4 lines, or maybe there will not be any line which is relevant to your query. The select statement has many optional clauses. It means we use the select query with the 2 options. First is where. Where means we will here specify the condition. It means where specifies which rows to retrieve. Which rows to retrieve means it will select only those rows which fall or which satisfy our condition. Then order by. This option is used when we want to change the order of any numerical column like your roll number, admission number, or maybe your telephone numbers, or maybe your marks in a particular subject. Then beta, I have written here one query, select star from table name. Here no condition is specified. So if the user wants to see your full table, it means he is nothing specific. So if I write this query, it will show me all the table in a simple manner. But if I use where word with it, it means I am specifying some condition, like to get details about the list of students whose favorite color is blue. Here beta, as this is our condition, means I have to specify only those students whose color is blue. So I will write select star from S details. S detail is the table name. Then I will write the word where. Then beta, you will specify your condition. My condition is color is equal to blue. Color is the column name, so I am putting it under double quotes, and then I will put equal to sign, and then I will specify the value. Value is blue, so I am writing it in single quotes. Then I will write semicolon. It means I am ending my query here. So this is for the where statement. Then we have query for changing the order. Select star from S details order by roll number ASC. Here beta, you will, after specifying the table name, you will write these two words order by. Here I have chosen the roll number. You can also specify admission number or the names or anything else, whichever you want to be ascending or to be in ascending or descending order. For ascending order, you will write ASC, and for descending, you will write DSC. So the next query I have chosen is delete query. As the name specifies beta, delete means removing. Here if I want to remove one or more records from the table, I will use the delete query. Sometimes it happens, like if I take the example of a class, some students take the TC, then there I have to delete their record as a database administrator. So for removing the records from the table, I am using my delete query. This is very much similar to your select query, but the basic difference is that we people are not writing any star here, like we have put in the select query. So here the syntax is delete from. You people will simply write delete from. Where we are deleting, we will give the table name. Then we will specify the condition. Like in the given example, you people can see here I want to remove the student whose ID is 8. So I will write the command delete from, then table name S detail where ID is equal to 8. You can see bache, I have not kept the 8 under quotes. Why? Because it's a numeric value. Numeric values will not be kept under the quotes. Then so today's time is over. I will continue with the remaining two queries in the next video. Till then, do comment me if you have any query related to this topic. Thank you so much.